some potatoes.
Oh yeah, that's right. Whereabouts is it? Oh,
Right there,
yeah.
right there, and right there.
Mm-hmm.
We planted 3. And now we're gonna plant, like a few minutes ago, what I showed you over there. Now.
Mm-hmm.
But just saying how we grow this. We get some water, worm from these worms
Yep.
that go in here and here. This is their wee
Mm-hmm.
and poo.
I said don't water anything.
And you get some water.
And some compost
Yep.
bins.
That's where you put all the weeds. Oh!
Well, it's
I'm
and
trying to do
vegetables and
something.
fruit.
I'm trying to do something. Ah! So this is where we put the overgrown or leftovers of vegetables or fruit. This
Just leave it there,
put
buddy.
where weeds and stuff.
Mm.
And this is where you put rubbish in.
Mm-hmm.
And then break down.
Mm-hmm.
And this is the water, and we're just getting started. We only have water,
Thanks for the
Oh.
oxygen,
intro.
and hydrogen.
Just leave it down,
Water.
mate. We're not ready for it.
If you want to do a weights workout, I'll give you one back inside.
Right. Here.
Yes,
So
we've
there's
done the intro. Liam's
that's
taken
our-
us through.
That's our
Potatoes.
potatoes, store-bought potatoes. That there was 3 that we didn't get around to eating, and they had eyes that came, and they started shooting out the root system. So we've decided to plant them and not use seed potatoes that cost about $15 for a little bag, where you get a whole however many kilo bag of potatoes for the same price. So these seed potatoes, if they yield the same or more, going by past history of knowing, they produce just as much, if not more, than seed potatoes, the store-bought potatoes, if you follow. So hopefully in the near future, the green growth will start coming at the top, grow yay high. The root system will spread out from that one potato each that was planted, and hopefully we'll get around 8-ish potatoes off each potato that we planted. And then once the top part that's the green bush that you'll see in the future part of this video, I suppose. Once that dies, you know, it's ready to search through the soil for your harvest of potatoes. So let's get started planting more veggies. Is the spuds, store-bought spuds that we used as seeds. Let's see what we get from one plant. This one's dying off. I mean, it could go a bit longer, but we've got Christmas lunch happening tomorrow, so look at that. There's one little one.
Oh my goodness! Woo. We might have to measure that one.
What did you say? What did you say? What did you
Mum wanted 8.
Yeah.
I think she's got 8.
Yeah.
say? No, she's got 12.
Oh my goodness! Oh yeah.
13.
Let's see one. There's a little baby.
You get a few of those.
Oh.
Little bubba.
14. No, wait.
Little bubba. Hey.
I know we're
This
gonna
one's
leave.
still growing.
Are we gonna leave these ones, these bushes still?
Yeah.
Yep. Okay.
We have 15.
Very good. That's fantastic.
Oh.
That'll be a nice roast. Woo!
16.
And they're good spuds for roasts. Yeah.
Mm.
Big one. 17.
Oh, nice.
Not bad off one
17.
store-bought spud.
Yep.
This one's the biggest. Dad, this one's the biggest.
Yeah.
Any more?
We have 17 at the moment. This will be 18.
Oh.
Probably not.
Well, it's one chip.
Alright, 20. We'll count that.
We'll count that.
Count that in. Oh, what do you got? Oh, it's right there.
Oh my goodness.
We have 20.
There's another one there.
Get this snail
There's,
out.
there's another one there.
I do have 21. We do. The bottom.
Gee,
22.
this is
We have-
great.
we
This
have-
is like Christmas.
I reckon
never
this
know.
one's one still growing.
You never know what you're going
Might
to
be
get.
attached to that.
We got 23 at the moment.
Let's see.
23 at
No, there's no resistance.
We have 22! 20 now 23.
Oh my goodness. It's like a 2 kilo bag or something.
Yeah,
From one.
from one.
That's awesome.
So don't go buying seed potatoes that you pay $10 for 5 when you can get like 2 kilos of potatoes to plant and get 20 times that. 20
We have
kilos from
22.
1 kilo
We have 22!
for a few bucks.
Mm.
We have 22!
This seed potato thing's a load of crap.
Mm.
Down.
You know?
As we see,
That is awesome.
23.
Has Lucas
I
got
always
some
wondered
soil
what's
in
the
his
difference
eye?
between a seed potato and a potato. There's nothing. Obviously.
Has Lucas got some soil that got in his eye?
You got an itchy eye, mate. I think that's about it.
23.
Oh, good. That's, no, that's
23. 23.
beetroot, please, with the leaves, please.
One,
Oh,
two.
nice. That's nice.
Dook.
That's nice.
And we'll.
Yeah, look at this.
And a beetroot.
Oh, lovely. Baby beetroot. Aww.
And
All
the
grew together.
beetroot here.
That's alright. Can you just pick out the brown leaves, please, if you can?
Yeah, what do beetroot look like?
You know what beetroot looks like.
We can have that tomorrow too. The leaves. And Auntie Gabby's bringing some kale from her garden. We don't. She does.
Well, it's grown kale in the past.
Yeah.
It's pretty easy.
So is
grown.
there? Can I just have a look? Sorry. There's some more there.
Yeah, there's more.
Aha.
Just getting these brown leaves.
There's some little cute ones down there. I don't know if they're going to get much more sun.
No.
It up here.
Like
It's
any
getting
more
covered
growth.
by the potatoes. That's
Maybe
why
I'll
just
put
pull
it
them
here.
out.
Maybe
They'll
I'll
be
put
nice and sweet. Is it getting heavy, was it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Getting so heavy.
Ugh.
Yeah. Heaps.
I thought you were cool. I thought you were mussels.
It is, but
No, I
you
can't.
can only hold something for so long, Drew.
Yeah.
Not like
You'll be able
Mulan.
to carry it inside. won't you?
Mulan can do it like that. Up a mountain.
Thank you for watching.
Please like.
If you liked our video, don't forget sharing is caring.
Please subscribe.
And don't forget to ring that bell.